Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And right here at the third line we have a button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect your speaker, you will stop Bluetooth connection with it, but leave it at the device list, and in the future you can reconnect it. And if you select to Unpair, you will totally remove your speaker from your phone. So if you need this, just select Forget this device button. But let's disconnect it. So disconnect. And as I said, I stop Bluetooth connection with this speaker, but still have it at the device list, and I can easily reconnect by just tap on it, if the speaker do not connect it with another devices. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!